These are the 10 new Amazon products you need under $10. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. From awesome solar garden lights to a game-changing door lock and an awesome shelf to make better use of the space above your plug outlets, all under 10 bucks. Speaking my language. I appreciate you guys being here. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up. Product number one, a portable door lock in a cute little red pouch that I didn't really think I would need. And then I learned the practicality for this bad boy. Now, at the time I'm uploading this video, there's an additional $7 coupon, so you could score this for just over $3. That's if you apply the coupon. A reminder, prices can change. And if you expand the video description box right under me, you're gonna find a link for each of these products. I do use affiliate links, which means I benefit monetarily if you're kind enough to use one of my links. This number one new release and very well rated product is great for all of those situations we don't wanna think about, like a school or a work lockdown. But for travel, Airbnbs, for those times where we need to reinforce a door lock, or if your bathroom door lock is broken and you're tired of your 2-year-old coming in to visit you at the most inopportune times, check. This would be a lock that you can quickly and easily implement until the door is fixed, and because it comes with that pouch, that level of portability means you can take this anywhere, specifically to those situations where you might not trust the door lock on its own, like a motel, or if you and your wife are sleeping at your Uncle Carl's house because your power went out and he just likes to wander in the middle of the night. Product number two, it's a colander, a strainer, and a spoon. And it's also $6.99 at the time I'm uploading this video. This has a discrete pan hook so you can actually rest it on the side of a pan to drain. It's great for straining vegetables, serving pasta, fried food, things where you don't want to reach in. I've even used this for taco night in my household where I can remove excess fat from the meat. Great practicality to it. I love the design and I love the price. Also very well rated, highly sought after brand, sustains temperatures of up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's dishwasher safe. Before I show you a solution for your laundry room that's under 10 bucks, let's head to the bedroom or any area you have a bright, annoying LED light. We've all seen it on those older annoying alarm clocks, or maybe you have an Echo or a Google Home or something with an annoying bright LED light on it. Appliances in our home, even like the stove, drives me crazy in the middle of the night. I don't understand how it's so bright. If I'm trying to work at the kitchen table, I've got that thing in my eyes. So this is a light dimming sheet set. You could put it on top of routers, electronics, easy to use, peel and stick. It doesn't leave any type of residue. It uses the static cling. And at just $5.99 at the time that I'm uploading this, again, expand that video description box, you're gonna find a whole sheet of these that you can use, cut, or apply. You can even use this to block your webcam, diminish any of those LED lights tied to your entertainment system, even the HVAC thermostats that, in my case, really bother me when I'm lying awake in the middle of the night. This instant dimming technology is a great grab, new on Amazon under 10 bucks. Before we get to the next product on my Amazon list, I've got a deal for you right now. That's $3. I'm going to show you how to score it in a moment. And it comes from the sponsor of today's video, Harrys.com. If you guys are ready to take back control of your shave and your budget, this is what you need to know. Harry's is a personal care brand that has reinvented the way you shave, helping you to shave in a premium, hassle-free way. They stand behind their blades so much that they have a 100% money-back guarantee. Harry's continues to support great causes as they give 1% of their global sales to nonprofit organizations that provide mental health care to men, LGBTQ+ youths in need, and are veterans. With Harry's, you get the best. We're talking high quality weighted handles, that textured rubber grip, and blades that are now sharper than ever at only $2 each. The precision trimmer blade allows me to access hard to reach places like under my nose, if you can imagine having to navigate around that thing. And the foaming shave gel, suitable for sensitive skin, hydrates, refreshes, and the bonus of the conditioning body wash, the scent, the bubbliness, I love it. It's ridiculously easy to get the razor refills delivered straight to your door every few weeks. For a limited time, Harry's has made their exclusive offer even better for my viewers. You'll score a 5-blade razor, weighted handle, foaming shave gel, a travel cover, and a travel-size body wash. It's an incredibly great deal, but act fast while supplies last. Go to harrys.com/thedealguy. Product number 4 is another new product on Amazon that I did not realize I needed until I put it to the test. It's a laundry detergent or fabric softener cup holder. And if I think about all of the drips and spills and how cognizant I want to be of any chemical on my floor, especially with a 2-year-old, this is a great way to take care of all of those products that are in those hard to reach areas yet can deposit any type of residue to your floor. This cup holder and drip tray stops the mess. It prevents detergents and fabric softeners before they make a mess, which can sometimes stain your tiles. It fits those economy size containers that we would typically pick up from Sam's Club or Costco. Amazon sells these as well. And the cup holder will fit those liquid detergent fabric softener container spouts. Simply remove it when you're done. It's easy to clean, disassemble, it washes away the mess. It's also made in the USA and 3D printed in the USA, so you are supporting a great American business. Also well rated, expand the video description box for the link to that item. If you're looking for a quick DIY project to handle all of the cable clutter and more, this is something that I actually had well before I uploaded the video that I absolutely love. It is a Wally wall outlet, well rated, $9.99 at the time I'm uploading this, which I actually think is a steal given that this comes with 2 faceplates to cover your 3-prong AC outlets and additional screws. So how does this work and why would you need it? Let's start with the first 30-second installation. You remove the screws from the pre-existing faceplate that you already have on your outlet, and then you pop in one of the new outlet faceplates included with this and the new screws. And with that, you get a fully functional shelf. Think about charging your smartphone. Think about all of those opportunities where we need to place a Google Home or an Amazon Alexa voice service or Apple device or a speaker somewhere where we don't have a nightstand or another table or a desk that we want to clutter. On top of that, it also offers a cord management system. It's extremely sturdy and versatile, great as a charge station, and I use this in my toddler's room where I can put her Owl, Nightlight, Sound Machine, Lullaby system safely on a shelf nowhere near her toddler bed, and all of the cables are also out of the way with the cord management system. $9.99, awesome buy, expand that video description box. Your next must-have product on Amazon under $10 and the number 6 spot is a great way to expand your storage in your kitchen, a closet, and more. It's an adhesive, extra large cup holder, although there are different ways you can use this to hold spatulas and spoons. I'll explain that in a moment, but all you need to do is lock this in place on any traditional cabinet, and then it goes to work for you. You get neatly spaced organization where you can put your mugs, your different cooking utensils, and maximize your space and your overhead storage. Great for storing and then possibly moving as often as you want to reimagine your space. Products number 7 and number 8 on this list are courtesy of my wife. The 2-piece makeup brush cleaning set is not just a great way to clean, it's also a great way to prevent further burns and disasters to our bathroom countertops. As a silicone resting pad, after my wife has used her hair straightener or whatever device it is that this thing is, she can put it onto the pad to safely allow it to cool down without touching our countertops. But as a brush cleaning mechanism for $6.59 at the time I'm uploading this video, this is a great way to remove makeup residue and dirt. The package includes 2 makeup cleaning brush kits and 7 different types of grooves and nooks and crannies to allow you to move your makeup brushes and remove all of the residue for better skin and makeup applications. You can use these as a handheld cleaning mechanism, or you can use the suction cups on the back and then really go to town while they are locked in place while you clean your makeup brushes. Awesome! And before I get to an awesome deal on some solar garden lights, in the number 8 spot, also my wife's pick, a set of 2 rolling tube toothpaste squeezer and dispensers. I really feel like she recommended this because she takes pity on all of those times where I am squeezing the toothpaste and face cream tubes like you wouldn't believe, because that's just one of the many ways that I pinch pennies. For $7.99 at the time I'm uploading this video, you get 2, roughly $4 each. You put your tube of choice in, and as you roll that handle, it releases every precious overpriced ounce of your favorite facial, mouth, and other products that reside in your bathroom. It also functions as a stand with a non-slip bottom. A great grab for $7.99. Before I get to a way to ensure you don't misplace your car keys again, in the number 9 spot, it's the anxiously awaited solar garden lights. And prior to me including this $9.99 steal in today's video, I actually used this at my wedding in my parents' backyard. It was really beautiful with the way that we had these garden lights hung up and adorning their fence. But let's talk about the 36 feet and the 60 LED light bulbs that you can score for a deck, a balcony, adding a little bit of brightness to any area of your property, and the fact that these are, in fact, solar. I have dropped quite a few of these, and while they are quite durable and I don't recommend dropping all of them continuously, they are waterproof and they do hang and emit a beautiful light, and they are available on a dime. Again, 60 LED globe string lights that you can score right now, around 0.87 inches in bulb diameter. You can use these in unison as part of the combination light mode. There's a firefly flashing mode, the LED solar light waves. You can fade them. There's the flashing disco, don't look at them for too long mode, another slowly fading mode, more twinkle flashing because why not, or just leave them on in the steady light mode. Many different ways to add ambiance, and particularly fantastic around the holidays and Christmas. A must buy in my opinion. Expand that video description box. And now for the grand finale, because I am constantly misplacing my keys and sometimes my dignity and many other issues, which we can discuss in further videos. But this White Cloud magnetic wall key holder, which is also very well rated and $7.98 at the time I'm uploading this video, might be just a whimsical addition to your decor, but more importantly, a better way to store your keys. I'm all in favor of Tile and those other Bluetooth key tracking devices, but my big issue is I never put my keys in a good spot when I come in, so whether you attach this to an area in your entryway or somewhere else, the White Cloud is comprised of very powerful magnets. It doesn't require any effort whatsoever. If you're trying to store something with magnets, this is the way to do it. While I don't necessarily recommend this for sharp objects like scissors, despite what they advertise, it is a fantastic way to store your keys, and sometimes a conversation piece if people are coming into your home for the first time and they see a little cloud on the wall and they look at you confused. People often look at me confused, but again, that's for another video. I want to thank you guys so much for making it this far into the video. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are subscribed with your notifications turned on, I've got more hacks and DIY secrets right around the corner. And if there are other products you want me to feature or test, please drop me a line. I do read through the comments and I appreciate you guys more than I can articulate. I also want to thank the sponsor of today's video, harrys.com, and I will see you all in the next upload. Bye-bye.